to everyone. So in my PhD project, I'm assessing the effect of pesticides on microbial soil communities. But in order to go beyond, we are focusing also on the predator-prey interaction. So to do so, I'm working with some bacteria which will work as a prey and proteins that will work as a predators in the system. So what I'm doing is that we established this soil microcosm experiment. So in this experiment, we have three important factors that I would like to highlight, and one of them is the increasing trophic complexity. So I established three different communities. So one only with the prey, and then I increase the number of predators in the system. Then I have a second factor that I would like to highlight, and this is the treatment, the pesticide treatment. So I have a treatment without pesticide, and then two different pesticides that I'm testing. And then the third factor is the time, because we are monitoring for 3 weeks. Then what I did is that in order to answer the question that raised up, so we can group them in two groups. Let's say, first of all, we are following the changes in the microbial community composition by means of 16S and 18S amplicon sequencing. And then on the other side, I'm also following changes on the functionality of the microbial communities in the system by means of microbial respiration, some, for instance, nitrogen metabolism, by means of quantifying the nitrogen compounds, and also by means of qPCR. And then we are also quantifying the pesticides that remain in the system along the time in order to correlate somehow if the effects that we will see are related also with the remaining concentration in the system. So unfortunately, this experiment is just finished recently, so I'm still processing many of the data, so I cannot show you many results, but I still think that it's a quite interesting experiment that brings a lot of discussion. And we have, I will say briefly, some expected results that we hope to get. And what we expected is that we will have a stronger effect of the pesticides over the predator communities. And then this will bring a top-down effect on the prey communities that then will affect functionality, for instance, nitrogen metabolism that we are assessing as well, respiration in the system, etc. So yeah, I think I'm done with the 3 minutes. If you want, I can continue.
Thank you very much, Marta.